for 4 medium with the porridge?
Yes, please.
Okay.
A side of onion rings?
Side of onion rings, okay.
That's it.
Did you order for break in the street?
Yes.
$20.95 for forward, thank you.
Thank you. We are at Carl's Jr. I'm so excited. Thank you. We'll go this way. No cop, no stop.
What is my straw? Hopefully my mic doesn't fuck up.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have Carl's Jr.
So what I got today was some onion rings, Western burger, and french fries.
I'm hungry, so let's dig in. They're kind of cold. I had to run some errands before I went to go get food. So I didn't know that they had onion rings. You guys know how I love me my onion rings.
Okay, Carl's Jr.
First bite.
Mmm.
So, what do you guys have planned for the summer? I have to babysit my two nieces and my nephew. So I'm really excited because we made a list about like all the activities that we can do. So I'm looking forward to that. Do you guys like my background? These are cold as fuck. So one of my subscribers recommended this place to me. I think it's in downtown LA. It's called
I forgot what it's called.
something Ray's. It's like chicken fingers or chicken tenders. I just got off the phone with my cousin. She saw my Buffalo Wild Wings Mukbang, and that she has to go to Buffalo this weekend because like I made her crave them.
Go girl.
Edith, this is for you.
Mmm.
Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. Share it with your family and friends. Comment down below and let me know what you guys want me to try next time. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.